Hello and welcome to this handy hint from Award-Winning Outdoors at awardwinning94.wordpress.com. It is spring here in the heartland. I'm hearing birds singing outside the windows and doors that I have open because of the gorgeous weather, and that also means it's time to plant grass seed and time to start watering and so forth. I wanted to talk briefly today about a hidden feature that a lot of people may not know about on these oscillating type sprinklers. The oscillating sprinklers have a curved bar that oscillates back and forth, and it's got these series of little tiny nozzles or orifices that spray the water out in a fan type pattern that moves back and forth. You can adjust on this end to, determine how far it goes to each side. But one problem with these is these little tiny holes tend to get clogged. And you'll notice that when you look at it running, and you'll see one of these just kind of dribbles out, maybe doesn't do anything at all. Time to throw the sprinkler away, right? It's no good anymore. Nope, not yet. Many of these have a hidden feature that people may not know. This end cap here will actually unscrew, and when it does, they can be kind of tough because they're not designed to be used real often, but when you do unscrew it, there will actually be, and I'll hold it up where you can see it here, a little pin on the end that fits just right into these holes. And you can use that to remove any debris that might get in there, because it doesn't take much for a tiny piece of debris to come in. These holes are less than a 1/16 of an inch. So a very small piece of debris will completely clog them. Now, once you do this, do not replace the cap at first. Turn your sprinkler on, let it run, and it'll flush those pieces of debris out the end. Once you've done that, then you can simply screw the cap back in and use the sprinkler as normal, and you should have full powered streams of water coming out each of these holes. Takes just a moment. I have noticed some of these are tight enough you may have to use a pair of pliers to take it out the first time. Not every oscillating sprinkler has this feature, but many of them do, and it would be an easy one not to know about. So just sharing that might make you make your spring yard work a little easier and save you the cost of a new sprinkler if that's all it needs. Hope you enjoyed this. If you don't mind, go down and click the like button, and you can subscribe down below to see lots more of my handy hints and tricks and hints about home repairs and maintenance, home improvements, hunting, fishing, camping, some cooking ideas, and all sorts of other stuff. Thank you for watching.